Alright, so let's move on to the next section of our site. So this is where we can display our services, products, anything we offer, really just anything you would like to display here. You can fully customize it out. So let's go through how we can do that. So you're going to go back to customize and wait for it to load, and you're going to go to your site, and we've got this here. So we've got all our little blue dots again. So we'll hit this one here, and this is to change our heading. So maybe you could have in this section services, perhaps, or you could have offers, or what we offer. Really, you can put whatever you want. It's up to you. That you can put whatever you want, and you could have whatever text you'd like to have here, or you could have no text. So you could type in whatever you'd like, and it'll update in real time. And so that's your secondary subtitle. So I don't really think you need it, but you can use that as an option to put in whatever you'd like. Alright, so now let's go on to how we can make these whatever we'd like to have. So we've got our first one. You can change this text to whatever you'd like. So maybe you could make the heading results. You can make the heading results, and because you offer a result, and then you can have a little text down here of just a short little explanation of why you offer results. And yeah, so just say what I had was responsive, and you can type that in, and now we can change that to whatever icon we'd like, and it'll update it in real time. We can even make links to things. So just say maybe you're a YouTuber, and you wanted to have it linking to a YouTube channel. You can look at this. We can go through and we could click YouTube. We could change it to that, and then if we go down, you could have your link to you'd put in your YouTube link there, and then what it would do is people could click that, and it would take them through to your YouTube channel. So let's just quickly go through and just say we edited it all out. So just say I wanted to have that, and I'll have responsive, and then go through and we'll do the second one. So we do our second one. Quality, I don't really like that image. You could have maybe a diamond looks better, which I do. I think it looks much better, and you could make it. You could put in whatever text you like there, and then you could have a link to something that you would like to have it linked to there. Okay, and then you can go through and you can change your third and final one, and just say it was affordable. So you wanted to have affordable written there, and you'd obviously want a better looking icon you'd want a more applicable icon, and you would find money, and there we go. It would change it for us. And yeah, we'll just remove that as well. And you can even add a new feature, so you could add another one in. I recommend 3 is a good amount. I don't think you need too many more, but for the sake of it, if you would like another one, just say we've got the bike, and it would be below there, and yeah, and then you would have your other one there. But I don't think you need too many more than 3. It's up to you, because you can simply click delete field, and remember you could edit this out as much as you like. You could delete both these fields and have just one big service in the middle. Really, just the sky is the limit here. That's what's incredible about this theme, is you can just go through and you can fully customize it out. Okay, and then what you just want to do is make sure you hit publish. And if we go back to our site now, there we go. Look at that. It's starting to look really good.